Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video right here, 16 minus 3 which equals 13 times 16 minus 3 which equals 13. Now we have this problem, 13 times 13 which equals, but this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we have to work on the parentheses first, then work on multiplication, and at last work on adding and subtraction. So first we do this subtraction, then this multiplication, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this parentheses, 16 minus 3, 13. So we have 16 minus 3 times 13. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. We must do this multiplication first, then this subtraction. So 3 times 13 which equals 39. So we have 16 minus 39. So 16 minus 39 which equals minus 23. And this is our final answer for this problem. Hit like and subscribe. Thanks for stopping by.